Hello friends, welcome back. I just came back after a little walk outside and it feels so refreshing. So, the summer vacations have officially started here in almost all the states here in the US and kids are out of their school. And in India, I guess students have started taking classes after their vacations. And for everybody, this vacation is far different from ordinary vacations that we used to have, right? Sometimes I feel a little sad for the kids that they have to undergo this sort of situation. But not just for kids, okay? Even we are also undergoing this similar situation where different plans that we have had just gone out of our hands. For us, actually, my parents and my sister's family, we were planning for a get-together here. And that has gone out of hand. But since we are so many months into this pandemic, I think we have all accepted this fact. And now that we are all safe, we are happy wherever we are. But since we are talking about kids, Adi was actually telling me the other day, he was telling like, I want to do something different. So what different can we do, right? Like there is a limit for the difference that we can create in this routine that we are having. So I was just telling about this to my mom the other day and she actually suggested me, why don't you just let him control a day and let him decide what he wants to do? Be it sleep, like no need to call him for food, or whenever he wants to have it, let him have it. No need to wake him up and things like that. So I thought, okay, let me just document this and share this with you all as well, because you're also having kids of this age, whether a little less or more. You can also have them control their day and kind of let them be the king and queen of that particular day and let them decide. So kids have not woken up. So let's see, after he wakes up, he's going to decide the breakfast, lunch and dinner. And he gets to control what he wants to have as well as what we need to do for this day. So I'm really excited for him and let's get started. Okay, so it's 9:45 now. And
I'm going to pick the breakfast for the day.
Yes.
So, let's see. Oats chilla? No, I think green veggie pancakes. No, chocolate chip pancakes. I'm going to pick chocolate chip pancakes.
Okay, sure?
Yeah.
Adi and Anjali, both of them love cooking.
Yeah, and do you remember my first cooking video? I made chocolate chip cookies when I was like 4 years old. Like Anjali's age right now.
Yeah, you must check that video out. I will leave it somewhere over here. And he made healthy chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm interested about cooking with myself, Mom.
So guys, we need Atta 1.25 cup. So that's 1 cup and then 1/4 of a cup.
Okay.
Pour it in, Abby. Whoa, that's a chunk of it.
Yep.
Then another tablespoon. Yes.
You can put this one, Anjali.
Now we need 1 teaspoon
Baking powder.
pour it inside.
Flaxseed, 1 tablespoon.
You hear me? Yep. Ready.
That's 1 tablespoon.
Daddy, you can put that one inside.
No, you can put us because it's your day.
And 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Level it up equal.
Yep. Get a little bit more.
Yes.
Yep, we got it leveled up.
You want to help me? Yeah. Rex. Ooh, buttermilk. There's some bubbles.
1 tablespoon of.
Are you brave enough?
Yes. I'm brave.
Okay.
I'm Marita. Pour it in.
1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar.
So guys, this recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, but we're out of vanilla extract.
No.
So we only have this much, but still kind of okay.
Yeah.
Let's pour it inside the bowl. Do it.
Okay, and we're gonna pour it inside this.
So it says if we let it wait for 10 minutes after we mix it well, it will double in size.
Abby, try to do it.
Okay.
Everybody's doing it.
2B. Yeah, the third one, you could do project 2C. Okay, and then for this title, you could do my Actions 1 movie, my Actions 2 movie, my Actions 3 movie, however many you did.
Okay, so he is now listening to this summer camp. Like, it's a free summer camp by Varsity Tutors, I think. So it's a Lego movie summer camp, how to make a Lego movie. He's interested in that, so he's doing that. Let's make pancakes, Anjali. Okay. Actually, did you realize that the pancake that he chose doesn't have any sugar in it? Yes. But we're going to add a little more of chocolate chips and make it definitely sweet enough for him to enjoy it. But this is actually a very healthy recipe for kids. Can also be healthy. I'm not telling kids needn't be, but this is a really good healthy if you're craving for pancakes and if you're on a diet or something like that. This is something that you should definitely try it out. But for today, I'm going to add a little more of chocolate chips. Huh? Okay.
You can add in different kinds of sound.
Anjali is eating her breakfast. I don't know yet about Adi. He's not yet asking for it. Adi, do you want your breakfast?
Sample.
Yeah.
Preview of the song.
Now? Now or later?
After this time we'll have it.
Okay.
Ma, I got the chocolate chip.
No.
Yeah, that we put it in there.
Oh, that's nice.
One that I'm familiar with called pumpkin.
Yummy. You have to try this recipe, okay, Ma?
Kids, if you're working by yourself without your
Okay.
parent, you probably want to wait.
Okay?
Parent add the caption.
Come on, after this, I'm going to eat some more pancakes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Covers the picture.
One more?
Yeah.
So for that, you
One
would
more.
add text
Mm.
at the top, just like we did for the title. But then click on caption at the left. Okay, and then you can select a frame, make sure that you have the frame
Come on,
selected.
and you can put them
And we'll add
this thing,
the
Raspberry?
text box.
raspberry,
Then you edit it.
right here.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy.
2 or 3? Four no. Are you sure you'll eat 4? Okay, so for the afternoon lunch, we're going to be making some sort of burger that he wants. So I have some chicken here, and this is for my husband, some paneer. Let's make the marinade and keep it ready. A tablespoon of soya sauce and a tablespoon of tandoori paste. Then I'm just going to transfer it into the cover. Okay, so let that marinate and we'll see what to do with this later on. Okay, so it's about 12:30 now and I don't think we have any plans to eat lunch right now, right?
Yeah.
Not yet hungry. So the marination is still going on, but right now he wants us to play.
Yep. So I made up a game, and I want my mom and my sister to play. And it's a game of jump roping, basically, and measuring.
What are the rules of the game?
Oh, the only rule is be happy. That's
That's such a nice rule. Okay. Ready for the game, Anjali?
Yeah, I love my mommy.
First, you have to jump rope until you make a mistake. If you land there and you still didn't make a mistake, you can also come back. 2 people will come with a measuring tape. First, they'll start with the small one, not the big one. And then they'll measure where you stopped. And then, see these red things? See these red things? If they measure it and you land on one of these, you don't get a point. And if you also land on one of these numbers, you don't get a point too. you have to land on one of these lines. Then only you'll get a point. And then after 25 turns, whoever has the most points, they'll win. And then if you want to play a harder round, take the bigger one. And I'm using the 25 feet one, so you have to use a bigger one. And then I say this is harder because look all of the red things there. It's really rare for you to land on one of these lines.
Okay, that's good. I like that game.
That's the game. Okay. Remember your high score is 50. A jump will be.
I don't get a point, guys.
It's okay, but.
Okay, the rule of the game is to be happy. Okay friends, so now we are getting ready for the lunch. So I have these buns here which I'm going to broil for about a minute or so. Okay Anjali. And then we'll start with the frying part. So the marination that I showed you earlier, the paneer is getting marinated. We'll start heating up the oil. I have some, what is this?
Onions.
What? And Adi, do you want to see what is this?
Yep.
Do you have any clue what is this?
Wait, no. Garlic?
No.
Ginger? What is it?
These are breadcrumbs.
Oh.
Okay.
Mayonnaise.
Just squeeze in a little bit of mayonnaise into that bowl.
Can I help?
I'll give you something else, Adi.
Okay.
I'll help you open it.
Okay. I can pour it. Squeeze it. I pour it in. And you can squeeze that in.
You can squeeze the mustard, okay? Whoa. Okay, so how much did you squeeze in?
Oh, a lot.
Okay, we don't have a specific measurement for these two, but does this taste good?
Yep, it tastes nice.
We need to spread that here. Put a few pieces of spring onions.
Okay, all over it, and all over it, spread it all around.
A piece of
Ooh, epic.
okay. That's good.
It's so cool. Things I remember. Got some of the yumminess.
That's just fun. It's crispy out. It's very good. Good time.
Oh god, the watermelon is coming closer and closer. Who was playing with it?
Me.
I need to take it off. Okay, so we are right now going to do the staring contest.
See?
Ready?
Steady, go.
Who did that?
I really won that one. Now let me see. You can't do that.
Okay. Done, game done.
Who actually won that?
Nobody won
Oh.
because everyone cheated. Look at this watermelon, guys.
Okay, it's bigger. It's bigger. Look, it's literally bigger.
Literally bigger than my face.
Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Okay, comparison to Anjali's face, it's double the size.
Bigger, bigger, bigger.
Wait, let's see it compared to my face. See compared to my face. Okay, ow. It's so cold.
Let's see mine.
So right now, we're gonna do this competition.
Yeah, it's called the watermelon competition. And I'm gonna eat 2 watermelons.
Whoever eats 2 slices of watermelons first wins the game.
1, 2, 3, start.
So guys, for dinner actually, we're gonna do chicken hakka noodles, but we already ate chicken today, so my mom said we're gonna make paneer hakka noodles. But today I wanted to go outside, so I'm gonna go outside and ride my bike.
Okay. Anjali, are you going?
Yeah, I'm gonna ride my big bicycle. Actually, I ride a tricycle when I don't have the big bicycle. And before when I got the big bicycle, I didn't have a helmet and those snap things,
Knee
knee patches, and now I do have it, but I'm not going to use them when I go outside today.
Why?
Because
Auntie, for your safety, I think you'll wanna get them.
I think my dad will get it for me, but I'm not sure.
Okay, so let's get the vegetables ready. We have spring onions, red bell pepper. I'm shaving some carrots. This is shaving, Adi.
Oh, peeling the carrots?
Yeah.
I thought we need all the shaving cream.
Okay, so this is the variety of egg noodles. I'm just boiling it up. And then we'll add in these vegetables, carrots, bell peppers and spring onions. And some garlic. Smells so good. Okay, we have about 3 tablespoons of soya sauce here. And about the same quantity of honey. You can add in spicy sauce as well. Just add a tiny bit of that. Nice blend of sweetness and spiciness. Here we have about 100 ml of vegetable broth, and into that I'm going to be adding some cornstarch, about 1.5 tablespoons. We'll add in the cornstarch mixture along with the sauce mixture and the honey and all that. I'm going to add in some frozen corn and green peas. Finally add in the noodles and it's ready.
He's gonna be my helper today.
Who's gonna be the helper?
You and him.
Okay, okay, Maharaj.
Okay.
I like the food and the day because I got to rule the day. It was fun.
And I like to share with you some a couple of new recipes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.